Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to play chess on Duolingo. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Duolingo app and open it up. So once you open up the Duolingo app, you're going to get this interface, this face, and you have to click right above the place right there. Click on it and you're going to see this drop down and you can see chess right here, which is a new feature. But if you don't find your own chess right here, you need to go to a Play Store or Apple Store and update the app. So once you see the chess, click on chess right there, and they're going to redirect you, ask you questions. How much chess do you want to know? I'm a total beginner, or maybe you already know some things. You click on that and continue. Where do you want to start? Start from crash, or you can find your level and continue. So once you click on continue, they're going to ask you to solve a puzzle, and from there you are good to go. So that's very simple. That's how to actually play chess. So you can see I'm playing mine already. So with time, after doing this, they're going to cheat you and put you through, and you are on it already. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.